Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you a recipe of energy bar, and also which would be good as pre-workout meal, which I include in my daily life before working out. So it is consist of 4 to 5 ingredients only, and you're gonna enjoy it at the best. So you need dates, peanut butter, protein powder or any flavored powder if you need, and you need oats, and if required you're gonna need a little bit of milk too. So this recipe is very quick and easy to be prepared, and it is rich in nutrition. It is extremely healthy. Dates, it's good in iron. Then you have oats, fiber, then you have protein and other micronutrients. So let's start. This is the fuel one protein powder. I used Happy Jar peanut butter, then I used lion dates and safola oats. So let's get started and see how we prepare this very healthy and tasty energy bar. So now we have dates which are like seedless, and then I have got this into the pieces to make it as an energy bar. Now I am adding oats to this. Along with this, what we have to do, we have to mix it together to get a good consistency. Then you need to add peanut butter. You can also prepare peanut butter at home if you want. So yeah, you have to so much amount, like say 100 grams, and now you need 50 grams of protein powder in it. If you don't have protein powder, you can use any of the flavored powder, or some people they also prefer to have Bonvita in it, whatever gives you energy, and it should be nutritious. So I avoid Bonvita and all, and I always reach out to protein powder. So this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna, as discussed, I'm gonna add little milk. If your peanut butter is little watery, then you can skip milk, and this is the consistency it would be after mixing. So we are gonna set it. We are gonna grease our pan with ghee, and we have to set it well here so that we can make it to pieces. So this is how I have put it into the box, and I'm just setting it out so that it sets well, and when you make it into the pieces, it comes out well. So after making pieces, this is how it is gonna look. I'm just making a good square shape in this so that it is edible, and this is how it is prepared. It is so easy and quick, I told you before. And before going to workout, I surely have this because it has got protein, fiber, lots of magnesium, and then you have so much of iron in it, and surely it would give you energy, and you must try at home. Believe me, it is wonderful, and you will surely fulfill after. It is very nutritious recipe. It is quick, and it will make you feel satiated for the longer time for sure. So thank you so much for watching.